This one is called The Poor Man Blues. Well, just because I don't have money doesn't mean I can't love you, honey. Just for you, darling, I'm putting out for two. I'll pick you up in my '89 Corolla, drive around till we overheat my motor, sit right there, and I'll sing for you, my dear, the poor man blues. Boss man says, son, you've been slipping. You're checking out when you're punching in your ticket, and I know it's true, but now he can see it too. And I said, hey there folks, how you doing, mister? They flip me off and I'm a little bitter all day long. Oh, now this goes on, the poor man blues. This is it, don't get no worse, I reckon, 'cause I'm cashing money that I don't have in my checking. Oh, no, told my landlord I'll be late just a week or two. So I'll just keep on singing the poor man blues. Broke my car, driving on my lady. I quit my job so I don't have a payday. What to do? Well, I sit down and drink or two. I sit down, enjoy a little sunshine, 'cause I know, well, I'm gonna be alright. I lift my chin, but doggone it, I'm gonna take this in, the poor man blues. Oh, the poor man blues. I just keep singing the poor man blues.